Hello, Van Horn Hornets. This is the week of April 29th, where we bridge into the last month of school. This is your Van Horn Hive. Remember to empower all to be successful today for a better tomorrow. All right, some updates. Last week during PLC, I asked you to watch videos 2 and 3 of the individualized learning plans. If you have not done so, please do that before Wednesday. Also, I need you to log into our Van Horn Google Classroom where the individualized learning plans are housed. The code is there. I will be checking by Wednesday to make sure that all staff members have logged into the Google Classroom. If you need help, let me, Dustin, Mrs. Bruce, or Mrs. Fulton know, and they will help you. All right, I had said that we were going to do a PBIS rotation last week. It's just too busy with everything going on. So I am going to post a sign-up sheet in the lounge on the whiteboard. If you would like me or Mr. Haycock to come around to discuss school-wide expectations, sign up for your designated time. That will be up by lunch tomorrow. CASP testing starts next week. Please support positive behavior, doing your best, arriving on time. Those universal supports should have been ready by last Friday. So, starting on Monday, we will have third grade. It says 10:30, but that goes till 9:30. And then 4 through 6 will go till 10 o'clock. We are doing ELA first, math second, and then makeups, and that includes makeups for the cast. All right, Pennies for Patients starts this week. Please encourage all of your students to donate. There are lots of YouTube videos for your kids to watch to get them motivated. First place giving party will receive an Olive Garden party if we earn over $750, and then the second place will receive a pizza party. Here is a tentative schedule for open house. Look at it, discuss it with your grade level, give me feedback. I've cut down some times. We have some logistical things that we've moved, but let me know if this looks like a good schedule for a family picnic day and open house. All right, some shout outs. Thank you to our first grade team, Miss Heinley, Miss Kane, Miss Pelletier, and Miss Rainey. Our third grade team, Miss Hill, Miss Martinez, and Miss Neal. And our fifth grade team, Miss Bruce and Miss Horg, for making our fly games so fun last Friday. Mr. Haycock and I had a great joy watching everybody interact. Thank you to Mrs. Eubanks and Mrs. Akins for coordinating and setting up the fly games. Again, it was so much fun. Thank you to Miss Melissa, Mr. Haycock, and Miss Wolgamith for coordinating the thank you party for the students that helped at the book fair. Thank you to Mrs. Fells for creating a way for our third grade students to have music during CASP testing. I know our students love music, and I appreciate your willingness to think outside the box. Thank you to Mrs. Gonzalez and Miss Maisie for supporting the IEPs for our mod severe students, especially with having 2 long-term subs. Thank you to Miss Kathy and her team for cleaning the campus over spring break. This was in there last week, but again, just want to reiterate it. You guys do a great job. Thank you to Mrs. Miracle, Mrs. Eubanks, Mrs. Hammond, and Mrs. Niffen for sharing ideas to support the needs of integrating both of our general ed students and our special ed students. All right. Thank you so much. Remember our school-wide foci, planning and instruction for ELA and math, data-driven instruction for backwards mapping, and our PBIS school-wide rotation and matrix. We continue to focus on lining up and being quiet in the hallways.